something which never happened before will never happen again. Thank you, teacher, from the very beginning to the end. You are very attentive to each of the dances and the children. Your choice of costume, the stage setting, the superb dances, dialogue, everything made us glued to your performance. Thank you so much for all the trouble you've taken. The day, the evening, and maybe even night was spent planning this whole thing out. As a matter of fact, when you people tell me I'm going to stage the sound of music, I look at your feet. Were you on the ground? You were. And even it was possible. Thank you very much, teacher. God bless you. And students who took so much trouble, we appreciate you. Thank you also. Parents for your cooperation. May God bless all of you.